So yeah, it's important. Use gray wash for your dot work. Of course, the core, the base should be the black, but using gray wash gonna make a much more longer lasting and better contrasted tattoo. Because of course, we don't tattoo for only the Instagram photos. First and foremost, in 10 years, it should be at least something like this, of course. Well, as I mentioned, tattoos are aging with us. The skin is a really complicated thing, depending on how much you drink, what you drink, what lifestyle you do. But we cannot predict that as tattooers. So putting down a good base helps to at least have like a long-lasting tattoo. You have to keep that in mind, that we work 10, 20, 30 years ahead.